Welcome back to another video. Beyonce, Kianto, out for another ride. Come and join us as we go out and explore and test out this thing after the ECU flash has been done. Stay tuned. All right, we are back. Well, my dumb GoPro did what it normally does. This Hero 10 freaking went stupid state, and it acted like it was recording, but it wasn't. It recorded like only 25 seconds of what I was already doing earlier today, so that's annoying. And here we are, my Kawasaki dealer. Local Kawi. I used to bring my R6 here because they were the closest to my house. Really nice dudes though. Well, when I started coming here back in when I had the R6, they were good. They were nice guys. In general, they're very, very nice. So I dealt with mostly their service department, obviously, because I just needed, because I was lazy. I didn't do my oil change. I didn't do it myself. I didn't do the brakes myself. Man, dude. Hey, I was learning in here. Let's go check out what they got. Look at these. Oh, they did change it up. They cut it out. That's all new. Kawi 400. 125s. 125s over here. 3 of them. Gixxers. And then just ZS6R. Look at this thing. Yeah. God, that thing is big. K6 250, 250s, 140. I've never, KOs? Like, okay. I don't know about this KO. Is it an under thing of Kawasaki? Like a kind of an under brand of Kawasaki? Or what is it? What is this? Yeah, it's a Yamaha, but I don't know what it is. Alright, fam, tell me what this thing is. H2 SX. Golly. It's a crazy motorcycle. Alright, we are done with the local Kawasaki dealer there in town. They are a CF Moto dealer. But I talked to, I'm assuming one of the sales guys in there, or one of the dudes that are in charge of there is an older gentleman. He did say that he doesn't know anything about their motorcycles. He doesn't know if they're actually going to get any of their motorcycles in. So, doggone it, I wanted to at least look at it. I know that they're not going to let me ride it, but I or test ride it or do a review on it, but I know, but I was hoping that they would at least have it so I can at least look at it, but they don't, and they may not they may not get any, because they are a relatively smaller dealer when you're comparing them to like a Mountain Motorsports or something like that. So, but they got some pretty nice bikes in there. They got the H2 in there, the H2 SX. They got tons of the dirt bikes in there, so that's pretty cool. It's not bad for a little shop that's in town. Not too bad. Country roads take me home to a place I belong. West Virginia, take me home. Country roads. Daggone country roads, bruh. Oh, I'm gonna end up eating it, bruh. I have not ridden on this road in a minute. Let's slow down and end up eating it. Deer or two. I am not going to put it past these country roads. I'm just saying. Oh crap! That was scary. So after the ECU flash that was done, oh crap, hold up bro, what the heck is up with this traffic? Let's try it again. Okay, after the ECU flash was done, the bike has been really responsive. When I'm in the correct RPMs, yeah, this thing gives you all the beans, fam. Don't do it, Kia. Don't do it. Kia, don't do it. Oh God, yes, that thug life, Kia. I love it. Oh God. But yeah, ADD, bro. I don't know if my old age I'm getting more and more of that or not, man. But anyways, back to what I was talking about, the ECU flash. Man, my God, dude, I'm everywhere. But anyway, the ECU flash is done. The bike does feel smoother. It is more responsive, even inside of its power range. So I'm doing a test here, and I'm going from 5,000 RPMs. I'm gonna drop down a second here, and I'm gonna stay at 5. I'm gonna stay about 5 grand here, and this thing gives me the power that it didn't, like it was lacking before. So at 5 grand, I'm just gonna give it to it, okay? Oh Lord! Oh God! Yep, it gives it what it needs at 5 grand, and that's where I think in this thing, that's where the kind of the sweet spot is for this motorcycle. It's right at 5 grand and going. I'm not sure if I haven't read in the manual, or I don't recall what the manual says in regards to where the power band is at, but what I'm feeling is $5,000 is where it's at to start, and then it just keeps rolling, because this thing is a beast of a bike. Oh shoot. Woo! Yeah, this thing is crazy. It's so much fun. Today is really a pretty random day, man. Like, I'm out here just kind of riding around. I ain't got really nothing on my mind. Just trying to clear my mind and just really just enjoy the ride, man. Like, I'm not out here blasting away. I'm just out here enjoying the ride. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. Just a quick video wrapping up basically the end of the ECU flash, just checking everything else out. Works good, runs good, RPMs are smooth, power delivery is smooth, not much lag in there at all. So I'm going to call the ECU reprogramming that they did a complete success, and then we're going to, from here, should be just fine. Shouldn't have any other issues, shouldn't be doing what it did before. Hopefully not. Hopefully it doesn't throw out any other codes later on because I did reprogram it, but if they do, whatever, I guess we'll address it at that time. But again, thank you guys for watching. As always, hit that like button, hit the subscribe if you want, comment, share, all the good stuff. Appreciate you guys spending your time with me, as always, with me and Beyonce. See you guys here on the next one. Peace out.